Hi everyone, let's talk about NanoViricides. It's a nano-biopharmaceutical company that develops, discovers, and commercializes the drugs for the treatment of viral infections. Snowflake analysis shows financial health 6 out of 6, and there's a bunch of risks. Earnings have declined by 2.5% over the past 5 years. Currently makes no revenue, volatile share price. So we see that they had once again the same peak as we saw in March 1st, actually 2nd, when the highest point went to the 8.71. Currently they did not reach that, but anyway, the stocks pumped up with lower volumes, by the way. And yeah, shareholders have been diluted, so they printed shares out. Yeah, they doubled, by the way. Shares outstanding doubles within year. That's a lot. And also another risk, does not have meaningful market cap, which is currently 46 million. And let's check the price history and events. So there was a board change, earning updates, and they exit some of the index client update, which is making this is actually the previous day close, so this is up to 90% currently, and that is because of this news. So check the biopharma catalyst saying 14th of September. The news is not so fresh, but NanoViricides completes licensing for the coronavirus field, which includes current COVID-19 drug development. So they will develop a new COVID-19 drug. So good luck with that. And shareholder returns, we see here that past year, so 1 year frame, gives us 75%. That is only basically with this current valuation. And fundamentals showing that with the earnings on minus 8.6 million and revenue, and with no revenue, market cap is 46 million. That is pretty huge. And I guess the valuation, there's no data on the simple Wall Street. TipRanks does not have either. And MarketWatch has stock price target in the average of 14.5. So there is upside based on MarketWatch. This is actually 100 currently. And future growth for the biotech industry, not for the company, 8.7. This is annual earning growth. Past performance, historical annual earning growth decreased by 2.5%. That is meaning that from the September 2014 till last reporting, I guess it's this volatility from the 6.1 million to 8.6 million. And by the way, they did not have any revenue at all since. So we see here that from the 2015 only losing. Company is currently unprofitable, and I guess, yeah, basically since the 2011. And let's check the financial health side. The company is not debt free. There is a little bit of debt, 165,000, equity 31 million, cash 22 million. So they do have a lot of cash. And yeah, check this graph. So basically since the 2014, this is the cash level is decreasing all the way down till 2020, and since then they I guess they printed a lot of shares. Yeah, so this is basically the where the money came from. Basically it was they was raising actually, yeah, not a significant of amount, but anyways, basically based on few previous years from the 2019 till today. Within 2 years, this is they tripled the shares outstanding. Debt to equity ratio is 0.5, so they do have a cash to cover the debt. Balance sheet looks mostly green. There's actually this red dot there in the corner. They are not paying dividends. And on the insider, no volumes there. Ownership breakdown: general public holding 82%, institutions 8, private companies 5, insiders 4.4. Top shareholders: Vanguard increased 12%. Last reporting holding date June, end of June. There's BlackRock, which decreased 17%. Actually, there's on both sides. UBS Asset Management 100% added. Yeah, it's the biggest add since this update. But anyway, Finviz shows that the shares are downtrending, but there's the tunnel. So we see here, I guess the support level, strong support level, is at around $3, and basically from the 3 to 5. So it would be, the volatility would be within this tunnel. So basically this line here from the 3.8 till $5 per share. So be careful. If you're loading at this number, this is, I guess, very dangerous. It could fall, same as it did already in March 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Basically, this scenario is most obvious, for example, for me. And if the price goes even down to the 450, I guess, then it will possibly bounce to 5.4 or so. Then it will decrease. Basically, biotech companies needs trials, needs phase 1 to be completed, trial stage 2 to be completed, and so on. That will be affecting very much of the price, and will be very positively affect on the price. And you guys actually ask me, can I research one of the stocks whenever the price is lower? But nobody could predict this kind of jump. But as you can see, it jumped already. So basically, if you take the technical analyze and also fundamental, you will be fine with that. And yeah, shares outstanding keep increasing. This is a 5-year frame, looking minus 78%, and all-time minus 79. So as you can see there, they had better years and ups and downs, and currently they are down, all-time minus 79%. Anyway, investing.com, summary of the stock for long-term investors as a neutral, moving average neutral, technical indicators as a buy. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in your future one. This is very dangerous to jump in.